Hello everyone, and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today, I'm going to be talking about the blue spider lily. The blue spider lilies. Now the thing about the blue spider lily is, you want to get on when everyone's offline. There's so many people online, I'm pretty sure I won't even find a single blue spider lily. So, the blue spider lily, they'll normally just spawn around the map. They're like these little tiny blue flowers that's gonna have this purple hue around them, and basically if you go close to them, you can press E to pick them up. Now the thing is, if I don't find any, I can't really go and press E to pick them up. So that's the only problem with this. You need to have luck. Or what you can do is open up a private server and basically do it from that private server. Or the final option being basically get online when almost everyone is gonna be offline. That's the other option, because right now I'm pretty sure anyone that's here online and is finding a blue spider lily, they're just picking it up. So there is no way for me to get it. So I hope you found this video somewhat helpful. I'm sorry that I wasn't able to show any blue spider lilies, but yeah. That being said, if you found this video helpful, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.